Hello and welcome to the part 2 of our video. Today I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna install these beautiful 3D panels called Iceberg on the wall when we previously had a leather panels. The only thing I did with the wall after I moved the panels, I just primed it and I installed a temporary frame. Now I need this frame just as like a reference point, so I will know where to install the panels. Now the way these panels work, let me demonstrate it to you. They're basically overlapping, right? Which creates continuous pattern, and you can run it as long as you need to. The best thing, the last panel can be actually flipped, and it will work as well. Now, since this panel is fairly deep, it's at least 1 inch, I would recommend to try to avoid the cuttings as much as you can. The only case basically when you cut the panels, it's when you run wall to wall. So you start from one side of the wall, and when you run to the another one, you cut it and you butt against the perpendicular wall. The panels are fairly easy to cut. You can use the scissors or even utility knife. With the utility knife, it's going to be a bit trickier. I would recommend to go with the scissors. Now, to install the panels, I'm going to use the contact cement adhesive and a foam roller. Now, I built the frame in a way each frame will take exactly 4 panels. And now I'm going to show you how to install them. Now with the contact cement, when I apply it, you have to let it dry for a bit. So in my case, I can I will apply the glue right away for both frames. This is, by the way, why I installed the masking tape. So if any of the glue will touch the frame, I can take the masking tape later on and paint the frames. Love the smell. Okay. Okay. The back of the panel, you don't need to apply adhesive everywhere. Obviously, most of the panel will not even touch the wall. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna run it only on the part that's sticking out. I would say the edges would be the most important part. Okay, I put it aside to dry. Now, to install this first section, I'm gonna apply the adhesive on all 4 panels at once. This is it, the panel number 2. It's really that easy. And now I'm gonna finish the. Now we're gonna make the white panel. It's exactly the same design, just made in white. Panel number 4. I forgot to mention, if any of the glue ends up on the top of the panel, do not try to wipe it off, because when the glue is wet, you will end up spreading it everywhere. Let it dry and peel it off later on. So I'm leaving it as is. Okay, so this is pretty much it. The only thing I will do now, I'll take the frame off, paint it, install it back, and that would be it. I have a brand new wall. As you can see, it's really fast and easy to do. Once again, any questions, please call us 1-888-717-8453 or send us a quick email, info@talissadecor.com. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Bye.